Hey everyone, quick update on my trade results for the month of February 2026. February was a challenging month, let's just say that. Quick risk disclosure, we are not financial advisors or broker-dealers. Securities used are for illustrative purposes only. Investing in options trading does involve risk. Future performance may not be indicative of past performance, or the other way around, I think is how I was supposed to say it. Anyway, pause the video to read the full disclosure. As far as my trade results for the month, little over 9,000 for February. I'll break down and go through the different categories here, but it was a challenge. I am back to green for the year after starting January red. But let's go through these different categories. So starting with 0 DTE, primarily price action iron condors, a couple other little things here and there. Last day of the month, Rick worked out this month, but a little bit red, minus 1,491 for the month. Just couldn't really get anything going with my price action iron condors for the month. British iron condors did well, plus 9,641 in that category after starting out with a $5,600 loss in the first week and a down January. So basically the first 5 weeks I was pretty red, and then climbed my way out. The last few weeks were really good, so plus 96.41 on those for the month. And then Mahomes was on fire, plus 8,420 for the month. I had one bad pin, and that was on the 24th for minus 2,900, and then another $1,000 loser, a couple other small losers, but the rest were nice and green. So good month for Mr. Mahomes. As far as transformer 1 DTEs, a little bit red, minus 579. Yeah, just kind of meh, nothing great. Calendars is what really hit me, and my normal 3, 4, and 6, 7 calendars were really good, but the two that really got me were these OPEX calendars. It was basically a 6 lot. I did 1 in toss, I did 5 in my IBKR account, and this was a completely self-inflicted loss. They were going to be losers, but they should have been more like, let's call it, I don't know, $3,000 or $4,000 loss total. Instead, ended up accumulating over $15,000 loss because I decided to hold through the Supreme Court ruling about tariffs, which was just, it was a mistake. It was just a complete mistake on my part. Never should have done that. I know better, but I did it anyway, and so that's what I get. Big loss. So anyway, minus 13,786 on calendars for the month. The wheel portfolio, the way I show this, these are realized profits, and this is not month to date. I'm just keeping a running total. You can see I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different trades in February. It's the total realized profit, and then the unrealized is about minus 10. So the wheel portfolio is down about 6% year to date is where we sit. Directional trades, red, minus 6K. Just couldn't get anything going there either. Kind of whippy price action. Earnings butterflies got crushed. Those did not do it. By the way, this is the last month I'll be reporting on those. I'm going to scale back on trading them. I'm not going to post them for the community. They've always been just kind of for fun. But anyway, some things kind of led me to the decision just to not really post those anymore. And then lastly, the strategy that I just started posting to the community this month, the DC Time Machine. I'm actually teaching this course to pro members on Tuesday, March 3rd, this coming Tuesday. So if you're interested, make sure you get signed up. Essentially teaching you how to it's another transformer session. So this will be our sixth different transformer strategy. And it's essentially turning a double calendar into a risk-free iron condor. So pretty cool stuff. Really nice month, plus 16,000 on quite a few trades here. Bunch of small winners, a couple of nice winners. Had one expire today for plus 65.05. There's another $2,800, $4,500, $3,100 winner. So anyway, it's really good stuff. Make sure that you get registered to attend. You don't want to miss that one. So that's it. So all in all, plus 9K for the month. I really, that calendar loss, that just never should have happened. Shouldn't happen. So it should have been over a $20,000 a month, but it is what it is, my friends. We all learn from our mistakes. Sometimes we learn and keep learning from our mistakes, and we do them over and over, like me. But that's the month. Hope everybody else had a good February. Look forward to March. Looks like the volatility is still in effect, so should be good. VIX still around 20. Everybody have a good month. We'll talk to you soon.